Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you where to find the factory recommended tire size and tire pressure. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so if you open the driver's door, right here on the door frame you will find this yellow sticker which will show you a bunch of information. So you'll have separate information for front wheels, rear wheels and the spare tire. So front ones, the tire size is 225 65 R17s, rear ones same thing, 225 65 17s. Now typically older models of these vehicles had a spare tire, but newer ones come without a spare tire, unfortunately. So that's why here it says none. If you have the older model, you will have the information here as well. And tire pressure, 36 psi front ones, 36 psi rear ones. So in case this information can come in handy in case you're in the market to buy new tires. Here you can see what dimension you need to put on, and if you're just adding air to the tires, here you can find that information as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.